Hello everyone! In today's video, we'll show you how to display weather for visitors' location by auto detection. Let's get started. First, open your WordPress dashboard. Navigate to Pages and click Add New Page. Next, click the plus icon, search for your preferred location weather block, and add it to the page. With the block selected, head over to the Settings panel on the right side. Open the Set Location tab. If you want the weather to show a specific location, you can set it manually. But if you want the weather to change automatically based on each visitor's location, simply turn on Auto Detect Visitor's Location. You can customize the block however you like. Once everything looks great, click Publish. After that, on the front end, visitors will see a small pop-up asking for permission to access their location. Once they click Allow, the weather block will instantly update to show the weather in their current location. And that's it. That's how you display weather based on your visitor's location automatically. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out our other tutorials for more helpful tips.